Hey, this is Matt Wimmer from Brody Precision. In this video, we're doing something a little bit different. We're taking a look at a plate that is going up on our demo wall in our Conshohocken headquarters. I grabbed this from Wheelan Engineering and Jim in the panel shop before it ended up on the wall out there on the sales side of our Conshohocken offices. I'll throw up a picture here of what that wall looks like right now. It's in a little bit of a state of change as we're adding in new plates like this one for additional display and demo of more products that we sell and guys want to check out. So I grabbed this one in particular because it's using the new Honeywell Optimizer controller, and this Optimizer controller is using T1L for its Ethernet. So it's an Ethernet-based controller, but you can see we're just wiring in a 2-wire. So that's our T1L. T1L is Ethernet over 2-wire. If you haven't seen our overview video on T1L, highly recommend checking that one out. Basically what we've got here is LAN wire wired up to our first T1L interface on the Optimizer controller. We've got 2 of those interfaces on the controller. Goes up behind the plate and then comes out on the other side to our media converter. That media converter is electrically turning our T1L into a typical RJ45 connector, which we can then throw out to Cat5, Cat6, and our normal switches and things that you're used to seeing with Ethernet. This is a media converter, which means that there's no configuration, no setup. All of the box is doing is changing the electrical setup from that T1L to a normal Ethernet. T1L is Ethernet, just electrically is a little bit different. Be sure to keep an eye on the YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a bunch more videos on this Honeywell Optimizer controller. We think it has a ton of potential and will fill a lot of gaps for us, and maybe we'll take over as one of our more popular controllers because of how flexible it is with things like regular Ethernet versions and the T1L version. A lot of options that are available to you. So if you haven't been out to our Conshohocken offices and checked out the demo wall yet, I highly recommend it. There's a lot of product there to check out, and maybe you'll find something that fits a need that you have. And make sure you wait for those new videos on the Optimizer, and check out that T1L overview video if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.